Hello and welcome. I'm the Autistic Modeler, and today we're going to do some stash ads, some shop cards that came in the mail, and some other stuff that I did off camera, and I'll show you what I did. All right, let's get to it. Okay, let's get to the shop cards first. Here's what I got just today in the mail. Very nice, from South Carolina. Hobby Dude 007. He very nice messages on the back. I appreciate it, Mark. That was really cool. Also gave me a cool sticker. That was neat. Please support his channel. That's Hobby Dude 007 on the YouTube channel. Check it out. I'll put the link down in my description. That's pretty neat. Got one of them. And also, I have my own shop cards that I'll be more than happy to mail to you. Look in my description for my email. Email me your address and I'll send you one if you would like. All right, that's pretty cool. Well, let's get to the stash ads. That's pretty neat stuff. Okay, here's the Salvino's JR kit of the month. It's pretty neat. It's Pontiac. The Teflon Pontiac's pretty neat. It's molded in silver. And it comes with a large set of decals to do it up just like the box. That's pretty cool. What else we got? Let's take a look here. Reach down here. Here is a vintage, just got it from a local friend, Plymouth Volare. It's sealed. Let's see that. That's unusual. Don't see them anymore. That's pretty cool kit. Brand new. A little rattly inside. All right. And also, I got a sealed Disco Era Nova. That's pretty cool. Another sealed one. Don't see these sealed very often. These are pretty hard to find. But wait, there's more. We got another Disco Nova, 76. Another sealed one. This also comes with the custom grills, but it's actually a Pontiac. You see on there. Wait a minute. Another Volare. These are hard to find. Oh, these guys are going to be jealous of seeing two of these on one table. But this is one of my favorite cars, is the Volare Roadrunners. And this is another unusual one. Not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but I got this Edsel. It's different. It's an old promo, I think, or I think it's a Craftsman series. Not really sure too much about it. But it's in pretty good shape, so I got a hold of it. I'm going to fix it up. So let's look at the rest of the stuff I've been doing off camera. Well, here's the Ford Torino that I just finished. It turned out pretty well. Let's grab it here. Here it is. Turned out pretty nice. I'll show closer photographs at the end of the video. It went together. It went together. Like my mom always said, if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. Okay, that explains that. But it did, with some work, it did go together, and I finished it. It was tough. So if you have one of these, be forewarned, it's a tough build, but does make a nice vehicle when you're finished. On the other hand, let's put this aside. Let's get out one that was a more friendly build. This was the Vega, the USA 1 Vega, and that turned out extremely well. This goes right together. Didn't have any trouble building it. Decals, everything laid out very nicely. Very nice kit. I highly recommend this one. This is a great kit. So, well, I hope you enjoyed the short video I did. Keep watching. I appreciate all your watching and your subscribers out there. Gonna be another video coming out real soon. All right. Thanks again. I'm the Autistic Modeler. Happy modeling.